Hi guys! So there are a few skincare routines that I personally follow on a regular basis to keep my skin healthy and help it fight all the dirt and pollution it is exposed to whenever you step outside. Amongst that, the most important and one thing you cannot neglect is a good moisturizer. So it is important to invest in a good moisturizer, as moisturizer keeps your skin nourished, glowing and youthful. Do not forget your neck while you do your skincare. Your neck's skin is as delicate as that of your face. Hence, it needs equal care. It is important to moisturize your skin, but equally important to protect it from the harmful UV rays. We usually tend to do that for our face, but somehow neglect the other body parts that are exposed to the sun. It is important to use a body lotion with SPF to moisturize it as well as protect it from the harmful UV rays. It is also very important to multi-mask, as different areas of your skin require different products, like the T-zone and the S-zone. S-zones are usually dry due to excess usage of products. It also tends to accumulate dirt, which leads to clogged pores, which causes acne. T-zones are generally oily. They have clogged pores, excess sebum production which causes acne and blackheads. It makes your temple look oily and shiny. And who doesn't love a sheet mask? This is one thing I love doing for my skin to make it feel pampered and loved, as it supremely hydrates my skin and helps it retain its glow. Find the right serum, as it is essential for a healthy and a clear skin. Also, choose the right serum for your skin concern, as serum plays a very vital role in treating your skin.